Hi guys, Bon here. Today I'm gonna be talking about what it feels like to make over 100% in your stock portfolio. As you guys can see, I'm actually in some sort of shock because I'm not super happy. I'm just like, what is going on? Because this thing here, it's so weird to me. So let's go over my stock portfolio, see what I'm investing in, and check out my journey through the last three and a half months. Okay, so this is my stock portfolio. Let me refresh it. It is currently at $21,000. So to start, let's look at my history and see what's been going on throughout the last 3 months. Okay, so this is my deposit and withdrawals. Okay, so if you guys look at all of this, okay, 4,000 plus 4,000 plus 1,200 is equal to $9,200. The 2,000 that I withdraw and 2,000 put in cancels. And then this 800, I subtract the 600 here. 600 that I put in from the 400 and 200, that leaves me with minus 200. So in total, I have invested around $9,000. If that was confusing for you, pause the video and then check my math, but I'm sure it's right. It's $9,000. So overall, I've only made money in a few accounts. One of my biggest moneymaker was United Airlines. I sold it at $29.70, but I bought it at, this was very important to me, I bought it at $18.50 because that was one of the best transactions that I've ever made. But yeah, this is my transaction history. I mean, I have nothing to hide. I mean, I would go over all this, but it would just take way too much time. If you guys want to take a look at it, I mean, slow down the video. But yeah, this is what I've been buying. So currently right now, I have positions in gold for not a lot, $600. Moderna, I have Moderna for $10,600, and that is my biggest position as of now. I actually have another Moderna call for $1,900. And then I have a wynn call. For me, the way that I play call options is that I buy it for the long term. I am not the type of person who buys it for a week because I have no idea if the stock is going to go up or down within the next week or 2 weeks. So I buy it around a month to 2 months away, maybe 3. This wynn option is a year and a half away. And so it's a very long option, and it's actually been pretty good. For wynn, I am up around $900, as you guys can see here. My gain is 40%. For this Moderna, it's 30%. For this Moderna, it's 75%. And if you guys can see here, this is the daily gain here, and this is my gain in total. The difference is $200. So I made most of the 75% today. I started out with $6,000 in terms of cost. Now I'm up $4,600. I also have Spirit stock, 50 shares, which isn't a lot. So as you guys can see here, I currently have $20,000 in my account, $20,000, 100. If you guys look here, today only I am up $5,700. So I don't know if you guys remember, but my last video I showed that I had $13,500 total in my account. Since then I went up around 1,000-ish, 1 to 2,000, but just today was just huge. Today was just a big day gainer because of Moderna and wynn. So if we take a look here, Moderna right now is currently up 17%. At one point it was up 24%. I was up to $22,000. But I mean, considering all that's happened today, I am just in shock. I am literally in shock because I've never made $7,000 to $8,000 in one day in my whole life. It's never happened before. So yeah, it's been quite a journey. It's been pretty unbelievable. So today Moderna is up 16-17%, and then if we go back and we check at wynn is also up 11-13%. Like that was why my portfolio jumped up so much. It wasn't just one stock that jumped up, it was two stocks, and those two stocks account for around 80% of my portfolio. I mean, gold is only $600 and Spirit is only $1,000, so my total investment in wynn and Moderna it's close to $15,000. So yeah, and it's in options, it's in call options, so that's why it jumped up so much. If it was in regular stock, then I probably would have made like $1,000 or $2,000, but since it was in options, I made quite a bit. And I don't know. I don't really know what to think. So this is what happens when you make a lot more money than you thought that you would. It just like you're just in shock. You're literally just in shock. I mean, I'm sure eventually tomorrow or the next day I'll get used to seeing $20,000 in my account, but for today, for such a big amount, I don't know. And because of this amount, I wasn't able to do anything. Like, I was gonna put another video out today, but throughout the whole morning, I couldn't do anything. It was just, I don't know, I just couldn't concentrate because I was kept looking at stock all day. Obviously, today is just a fluke, okay? It's just one of those random days that happens to be very good. I posted videos before where I just had really horrible days, and that was really bad, but today it was just one of those really good days. So I'm glad. I am glad that worked out, but I just really don't know what to think. So as for my plan right now, I'm planning to keep Moderna for probably another week or so because I still think it could hit $80, but we will see. I'm planning to keep it for another week or so, and then wynn, I'll probably keep it for a while, a few more months, because this call option ends in 2022, so I still have a very long time, so I don't have any problem with holding it. But Moderna, this one ends in August, this one ends in October. So I'll probably sell the August one, which is my biggest account, in probably a week to 2 weeks. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It would really help me out. Alright, so until next time, bye.